As you remember from my previous vlogs, my tire letterings, they broke when I used them on the track. So today we're gonna be repairing those tire letterings, but we're not gonna be buying new ones. Today we're gonna be tire bombing my jazz. Oh my god. Pull that out like that. The problem when you take these tire letterings off is that they leave this rough surface, which is hard to paint on, especially this. This is cement, so I have to clean that off. Day 2 of tire bombing. I wasn't able to finish everything yesterday. Today I'm gonna be finishing the 2 other tires for the fronts, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. So I think these are dry, so I'm gonna mount them now to the car.
What the Well, it's a lot more quiet than my car in terms of kalog-kalog. Kasi syempre brand new. Syempre mas magaan din yung steering niya and all that. But yeah, I can feel na perfect daily talaga sa para track car.